Hello guys, welcome to my channel Anukriti Chaudhary, and so thank you for being here. Like the video and subscribe to my channel and comment us your views. Hope you enjoyed today's video, which is to create something new and useful from old and waste mobile boxes. So hope you enjoy. Watch till end. Guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. Continue to my channel Anukriti Chaudhary. Click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Hope you like our today's video. Thank you for increasing my view. Now comment and tell us your views on our video. Thank you.